Hi everyone! I went to a yard sale today that was pure craft items. So this lady was destashing her stuff. She was an elderly lady, and a lot of the stuff there was actually completed projects. So she did like crafting like in her spare time, it seemed like. So there's like albums and cards and all kinds of stuff, but she did have a lot of stuff. I was so excited. Apparently, the family's done this like for a couple weeks, so I barely caught it. So apparently there was even better stuff before. So I found these Holtz sheets. I have no idea what they're for. I've never even seen them. Like, look, it even comes with like a little tag right here up at the top. So I'm gonna have to look into what these are for. So got those. And I actually don't have extension cutting plates, so I was really happy to see that. They're barely even used. Like, look at that. And then the big kick is my machine right here, so I'm happy that it had that, so I know that it fits. But yeah, I mean, not even used at all, so that was a good score. Then there was this Valentine's Day bag right here. So I have not bought any Valentine's Day paper this year, so I'm really excited to see what all is in here. I didn't even look. I just saw it and I grabbed it, and there was like Christmas paper packs that I kind of wish I would have got, but I was supposedly trying to be good, but I didn't do very good at that, because then thank goodness my mom was with me, and I'm like, give me the bag from your purse, because she always carries like a bag with her, so she was able to give me that. So, oh, cute. See, this is what I was telling you, like, she had like a bunch of like little album stuff, like all complete. So there was like boxes and boxes of stuff like this, like albums and cards and scrapbook layouts and all kinds of stuff. So super cute. I love this. Now I could go ahead and like mimic this. And then like, here's like a little info card. It looks like there might be a sheet in here, a pack. What's in there? Yeah, like 8 sheets. Just kind of like a little like variety of stuff. So I don't know what all is in there. I'm gonna have to like dig through this. Ooh, this is like flocked. So it's like velvety. Oh, and it's like on a pearl paper. Yes, love that. Okay, so just these little items the lady charged me $15 for. And then I got a huge bag. Like I said, I had my mom give me her grocery bag. So I had a huge bag full of stuff. Not a huge bag. It's just very full of stuff. And then she charged me $15 for that. So for everything in total, I spent $30, you guys, which I think is such an amazing, amazing deal. So there was this little album that I thought would be really cool to do like a, not like a giveaway, but like Happy Mail. So I thought, oh, I could put like some, you know, die cuts, maybe some bows, a shaker, you know, kind of just like fill this up for like Valentine's Day theme. I thought that was really cute. So grab that. So I'm gonna alter that. Then like I said, there was just like tons of completed project stuff. So I grabbed a little Disney one. Oh, apparently there are just 2. I thought there was like 1. So there's this one. Look, and it's all complete, you guys. Like, how cute is this? Oh, her paper is like she sprayed it with like gold or something. It's like speckled. See, that is super cute. And I have like plenty of people that I know that go to Disney also, so I can definitely like share these. Then some of the stuff, like, I don't even know, like, I just took this, you know, I was like, I saw this one, I'm like, oh, spiders, I love Halloween, and I just took this whole little like case. So I don't even technically know what all is in here. So we got like a graveyard stamp, some tiny little bottles. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, look. I've never even seen these brads before. I'm so happy I picked this up. Like, look at the little charms. Oh my gosh, so stinking cute. I love these brads. I never even seen those before. This is more recollections, brads. And then this is what had actually caught my eye, was the spider. Oh, no, it's actually like facing down at, oh, look at that, like purple. Oh my gosh, so cute. Another lady that was there shopping, she got, it looked like an under the bed storage. That was, she said it was just ribbons and, look, she had Holtz ribbon and fabric. And and the lady sold it to her for $15. Like, look at these paper little flowers. I think I got some white ones in there too. So she did have Tim Holtz stuff. So I got this like little drippy blood scene right here. And then tickets. I've never even seen these tickets before. And I don't even think these are even used. Love that. I'm going to have to do like some kind of like grungy project. I've been wanting to do that for a long time. Okay, I don't own a cat, but I just thought this was funny. Because it's all wrapped up in the Christmas lights. And then this is so me. Dear Santa, I can explain. Like, I just thought that was hilarious. So I grabbed those. She had several boxes of wood stamps. Then I got this little one. I saw the little snowflakes. And then there's like Christmas tree buttons over here. So I thought those were really nice. I got a Tim Holtz. Wow, look. She spent 20 bucks for that. Wow. So I got that little coffee one. And then there were these that I think you glitter yourself. Yeah, see, so I think you do your own like little glitter design, and there's the glitter in here already. So I thought that was pretty cool. I love me some Halloween, and that's like chipboard. Then we had this Happy Halloween stamp set right here. I like that it has like the words printed into it. I thought that was really cool. Then some little jingle bells. Like if I would have known like what good deals they were giving, I would have taken more stuff. Because, so like I asked, I said, how are you pricing everything? And I was like, you know, I've got like a budget in mind and I don't want to go over budget. And she was like, just bring it up and then, you know, we'll negotiate from there. So when I went up to her and I gave her that first little pile, she was like $15. And then I'm like, oh, but I got the bag too. She's like, okay, you know, another 15, so 30. And I'm like, really? Are you sure? She's like, yeah. And I was like, are you sure? Do you want more for that? She's like, no, it's okay. So I was like, okay. Oh, like I got these two because I think this is the smaller set of this. So I got those. So I'm like, yeah, I was even like, do you want more? But it was like her daughter selling. So I don't know. I got this one because, okay, I just talked about like my Disney cruise that we did, and it was definitely a journey, like that whole trip. So I thought that was really good to have. Then I found this Tim Holtz, like, look, it's like a little measuring tape, like ribbon. Oh, I love that. And then this I've never even seen before, so I'm guessing it's this. It's like film strip up here. So I'm guessing that's what's in there. I don't think any of this stuff has ever been opened. So we'll have to see. Then there was this hole punch that was 1 1/8. I thought that was a really interesting size, so I grabbed that. There was a whole like Rubbermaid big bucket full of punches that I didn't even like dig through that well because I was just kind of like ready to go by that time. Oh, see, look, here's the other jar of paper flowers. And then look, she had a Disney paper punch, which is like a little like swirly Mickey. Love that. And let's see, tons of stuff, you guys. Okay, this whole like little ring, you guys know why I grabbed it. I saw the pig. That's the only thing I saw, and I was like, yes, you're coming with me. And of course, Halloween. Got a little scarecrow, a turkey, this little, what is this called? Corn thing. And then like a whole little turkey dinner. So yeah, I basically just wanted the pig and the little witch, and she's like, just take the whole thing. So I'm like, okay. Because I had asked her like, oh, is it okay if I just take off the ones that I want? And she's like, no, just take the whole thing. So I was like, okay. There were these little Sizzix. So I thought this is really good with Easter coming up. And then travel, because you guys know I love to travel. This one, oh my gosh, it's gorgeous, isn't it? Like, look at the vintage little girl right there. She's just so sweet looking. And these like little pumpkin people. I just loved that one. So happy I found that. Then another little container here of little knickknack stuff. Oh, there are buttons over here. So I got some little buttons. Oh, this is why I grabbed it. I had never seen these brads before, so I grabbed those. Then, like, this stuff I feel like they have, like, over at Hobby Lobby, and then just a couple little sequins in there. I wish that the lady was there, and I feel kind of bad that her family was, like, selling her stuff off, you know, but if she can't use it. Oh, let's see. I loved the Happy Halloween right here, and the Spooky and the Eek, so I got that one. And then, oh, look, here's another one of those Sizzix for 4th of July. Then these look like little ornaments. So I could definitely use that, you know, as like little flat back resin pieces. And there was this border punch. So it does the little pumpkins. So I love Halloween. Here is another pack of those paper flowers. And then, oh, look at Rudolph. I don't remember his girlfriend's name though. Does it say? No, it doesn't say. I don't remember her name, so I gotta find out. And then I think there's another Rudolph in here too that I grabbed. And then she had like a little box of just like pure coffee. There was like tons of coffee stamps in there. So I just grabbed this one because I just thought it was really cute. But there's a ton of like different coffee ones. Then here is another Rudolph. And then another set of those tickets. But this one's different. So this actually has like words printed on there. I've never seen this one before either. So I grabbed that one. Then this one, I have not finished my Alice in Wonderland junk journal, but I thought this would be nice to go ahead and use for that. So that's why I got that one. I mean, I could use it when we go to Vegas or any of the casinos. So yeah, I'm actually happy that I grabbed that one. Then there's this really nice one. It's actually like little tickets. So I thought that, oh, see, there you go. So I thought that was really nice. So I grabbed that one. Then there was, oh, see, this was like in that little like coffee container. But it's more like Christmas themed, so it's like hot cocoa. Then, oh, see, these were in that coffee container. So they're little charms. Then we got like some little like teacups over here. And this one I've never seen before. So they are reinforcers. There's 100 of them. So it's just like every page is like printed differently. So I thought that was pretty cool. So yeah, I definitely need to do like a whole like Tim Holtz kind of like journal. I think that'd be really fun. Then there was this little punch that I thought would be really nice. Like if I stamp like a sentiment, you know, like maybe I have like a love you or miss you. And then it's just easy. I could just go ahead and pop it out with this one. So I grabbed that. Then this is just like a little like tea set that I thought was really cute to be like little charms. This one's called Tea Time. I wish that I would have found like more little like stuff like this, like little charm stuff. But okay, you guys, that was everything I bought for $30. Apparently the daughter's been like cleaning out her house. Like I said, this is they're like second or third time that they've had this craft like yard sale. So we'll see if they have it again. Maybe in the future. She was talking about maybe possibly doing one in March. So I don't know. I guess I'll just have to keep an eye out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Oh, look. The Spooktacular, I bet you will fit in here. Oh, that's perfect. I'm so happy I got this stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay. Sorry. All right, guys. We'll see you later. Have a great weekend. Bye, guys.